Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Sorry, couldn't post a video yesterday. However, you can go to my Telegram channel and there are there is levels chart how to trade on the levels. And if I for some reason can't make a video, you can always go to my Telegram channel and just get guidance from there. So let's start today's analysis for tomorrow and for the we still have market few hours to close the market. So it's uh, it's for tomorrow and what's I'll share some important levels. Right. So let's start with Forex Factory and as you can see tomorrow we have AED at 12 a.m. 12:30 a.m. Sorry. And these are the two have impact news and 1:30 p.m. we got USD unemployment is a heavy impact and Philly Fed factoring index that's a medium impact. So and 215 we got industrial production that's 215 that's a medium impact again. Is for the news and today let's see how the gold moved today. Right, I shared these levels with you yesterday and market was here when I shared these levels and you can see the market went to the upside. This was Asian low. Market broke this previous high, took the liquidity from these levels here, and on the news market went down. So that was a good sell trade after market took the liquidity. Sorry, you can see news was mainly positive. So on the rejection of this 5-minute candle, you could have taken sell trade here because the news was most of one of the news was very positive, so it affect the market. And now this was also a area between 0.5 and 0.61 level, Fibonacci level. So that bounce to the downside was expected. So once we have this now, what next? Let me remove these levels and if I put my Fibonacci level here, this is the rejection level, and now what I can see, the market can come this level, that's another level. That's a strong level because it is coinciding with this resistance area as well, and that's another level. At the moment, market is rejecting from 0.38 level. Let me remove this, and you can see this is a level as well. The market in 1 hour we have seen a bullish candle here. However, I would like to see a 4-hour candle close in a bullish, then we may expect market bounce back from here. So that's it and as far as the levels are concerned, and going to the smaller time frame. That's the situation in smaller time frame. Gold is bullish, as you know, in daily. It has broken the previous daily yesterday, and 4-hour it also broken this previous structure as well. This structure was broken, and this structure was broken, and also it was rejected from 0.38 level, Fibonacci level in daily. As previously, if you watch my videos, you will know you will see that it was rejected from this Fibonacci level 0.38, and it coincides with this support area. Sorry, previously I said resistance area. This is support area, right? And now it's possible that it will. In fact, as you can see, there's a fair value gap here in daily. 1950, we can expect 1950 for the downside because the market, as I said, if it comes to 1950, let me plot another Fibonacci level here. Yeah, this 1950 0.61 level as well in Fibonacci. So definitely we can expect the bounce back. However, but without confirmation, we can't take any trades. We have to watch for confirmation, possibly some bearish candle, bearish scenario here. Looks like it's in 1 hour is developing a bearish scenario. If it breaks this level, the next target will be around 1950. So that's it. Let's go now to smaller time frame. So at the moment, there's no trade. It probably be risky to trade here unless we have seen breaking of this or even breaking of this to the upside, then we can take a buy trade. And this probably try to avoid this area is better. And also there's not much volatility, market is about to close. So that's it. I leave this to you now, guys, and I hope you have a good trading day and good day, good night. Thank you. Bye.